In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register a customer payment in Odoo. We'll walk through the full process of applying a payment to an existing customer invoice so your records stay accurate and the invoice balance is updated correctly. This is a simple task, but it's an important one because registering payments properly helps you keep your receivables organized and your accounting clean. To begin, open the Accounting app in Odoo. This is where you'll manage invoices, payments, and related financial activity. Once you're inside the Accounting app, go to the Customers menu and then select Invoices. This will take you to the list of customer invoices currently in the system. From here, open the customer invoice that you want to register a payment for. Before you continue, take a moment to confirm that you're working on the correct invoice, especially if there are multiple invoices for the same customer. It's also important to make sure the invoice status is posted. If the invoice is not posted yet, the payment cannot be registered properly, so always verify that first. Once the invoice is posted, click the Pay button at the top of the invoice. This opens the payment window, where you'll enter the details of the customer's payment. In this window, select Payment Only. This option is used when you simply want to record the payment against the invoice without adding any extra transaction complexity. Next, choose the appropriate journal, such as bank. The journal should reflect where the money was received, so select the option that matches your actual accounting flow. After that, choose the payment method, for example manual payment. This helps document how the payment was handled in the system. Now enter the amount received, or verify it if it's already filled in. Make sure this amount matches the actual payment, so the invoice balance will update correctly. Then set the payment date. This date should reflect when the payment was received, or when you want it recorded in your books. You should also review the memo field. If needed, update it so the payment reference is clear and easy to identify later. A good memo can make future searches and reconciliation much easier. When everything looks correct, click Create Payment. Odoo will then record the payment and apply it to the invoice. Finally, return to the invoice and verify that the payment has been applied successfully. Check that the amount due has been updated accordingly. If the payment covered the full invoice, the remaining balance should show as fully paid. If it was only a partial payment, the outstanding amount should reflect the difference. Thanks for watching.